Hello everyone. This year we have our International Yoga Day on 21st of June, that is this Sunday, and wishing you all a very happy International Yoga Day. So on this day, the theme for this year is yoga for healthy aging. So as we grow old, what happens? We may not be able to move as what we were during the young. Our flexibility comes down. So to prevent all this, you can practice small exercises and breathing exercises which can take you make you younger, and you can do your work independently. If you are a diabetic, your blood sugar can also be well controlled. It can also get reduced if you practice yoga very well. So on this day, what I would like to say, I would like to share a few of the breathing techniques which can be helpful, which is what we are going to teach you today. So we will first teach you how to correct your breathing. It is called as conscious breathing. So what you have to do is that keep one hand. So whenever you do breathing, I always suggest that you close your eyes. So just keep one hand on your chest and one on your tummy, okay? So what you have to do is that this is what I'm doing. I'm inhaling. You can see what is happening when I'm inhaling. So you can see. So my shoulders are stretching. My tummy is coming out, right? So whenever we inhale, just see is very important. And then when you exhale, that means you're expelling the air out. So what happens? Automatically, the diaphragm comes to its normal position and your tummy goes in. This is one way we have to do a conscious breathing. Okay. The next one, what I am to do is that because people are stressed, that is very important. Any field if you take, people are stressed. Even if they are at home, there'll be no one to take care, and those causes kind of a stress. So for that, what you have to do is single nostril breathing, which we call as cooling breathing, that is called Chandra Bedana. That is Chandra Bedana is that you can keep a chin mudra like this. You can keep a chin mudra like this, or if you're comfortable, you can just close these two fingers like this and keep. And you could not just. I have seen many people using one nostril and then taking it out. It is not the right way. So you have to keep both the fingers like this, and not on the nose, but you can see the bones and the nose bones here. So hold those two bones, and then when you inhale, you close only the right, and then leave this left nostril free and inhale through the left. You are inhaling through the left. So if you are comfortable, you can start with 3 counts, or if you are very much comfortable, you can go for 6. Open only the left nostril. Try to inhale as much, and when you inhale, you consciously feel that your tummy is coming out. Okay, this is what is Chandra Bedana. So I taught you now 2 simple breathing technique. This can be done by anyone, anywhere, by sitting, even by lying, and so when you're traveling, you can do this.